Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. Since my hair is terribly greasy, I'm going to take it as an opportunity to show you how I contour my forehead. So my hair is up, it's really tight, it's hurting my head. But whenever I get my hair up like this, I always contour my forehead since I obviously have a very large forehead. I also have a little bit of a bald spot here, and I'm going to show you how to cover that hairline and make your forehead look a little bit smaller. Today's video is going to be really short since tomorrow is my birthday and I want to do some preparations. I'm a huge birthday person. Even though I don't throw parties and stuff, I just want to feel special on my birthday. So I'm going to do my nails because they're obviously looking not so cute. And I'm going to bake a cake for myself, and I'm also in a terrible need to wash my hair. I'm quite busy today, so this video is going to be very short. Let's get started. You can obviously use any contour that you have. It can be cream contour, powder contour, whatever you prefer. I'm going to use cream contour today, and this is my Natasha Denona Face Glow Foundation in the shade 45. I already used this to contour my cheeks, but I'm also going to use it to contour my forehead. Shaking it a little bit. I like this since it's very liquidy. And I'm going to show you where I place my contour. I usually just blend right away, but just so you can understand the placement better, I'm going to do like that Instagram way, let's say. So obviously my forehead is really wide, so I'm going to contour the sides of my forehead. This is going to make it a little bit narrow. And since my forehead is also very tall, I'm going to contour the top of my forehead as well. And I'll be blending this fairly close to the center of my forehead, just so I can hide as much as I can. But be careful about this hairline, so you can't really see a color difference there. So blend it really well into the hairline. And for a bit of highlighting, I'm going to highlight just the center. Just a line like that. I want it to look like the center of my forehead is actually a little bit smaller than it is. And now it's time to blend. Going to start with the highlighting and blend it out. And then I'm going to stamp to blend the sides. And I'm using just a concealer brush. You can use a sponge, a brush, whatever you prefer. If you're using a brush and you feel like this is too much, you can take a sponge and go over it to take away some of that excess. And another thing that I do is I draw a new hairline. You can use an eyeshadow or a brow pomade, brow powder. You can even use a brow pencil. In the usual case, when you have your brows the same color as your hair. If not, you can just take a product that's in the color of your hair. For me, that would be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the shade medium brown. And I'm going to take a brow brush, taking the product, dusting off the excess. And what I will do, especially on this side here where I have this bold spot, I'm going to draw some hairs. I mean, they're not realistic hairs, but it will look like I have some hair there. If the spot is really big, you can even take a fluffier brush and do this, just so you can color that spot. I'll take the product along my hairline, just so I can shrink my forehead a little bit visually. And again, make sure that you're not able to see the skin. So I'll take it up towards my hair. And I also like adding a little bit here. Again, to make my forehead look a little bit more narrow. If the color you're using is in the right shade, nobody will notice this. And to finish it off, I'm going to take a little bit of brow gel, clear brow gel. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to fix my baby hairs into place. And this is the end result. I really hope you found this video useful. Because of my forehead, I used to avoid putting my hair up like this, but now I either do this or I don't care. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. It helps my channel a lot. And subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm going to go and get things ready for my birthday. By the time I upload this video, my birthday was actually yesterday. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!